Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to take a quick look at a set of Alla 9005 LED replacement headlight bulbs. These are the 9005 HB3 bulb type. Inside the box, we get a simple instruction manual and some troubleshooting information, a couple of replacement O-rings and zip ties for cable management, and the two bulbs. They have a standard 9005 type electrical connector with not very impressive wiring down to the LED driver power module here, which is just stamped sheet metal. Limited strain relief on each side of that, but it does have a screw-on connector with an O-ring for ease of installation and wire routing, so that's nice. The bulb itself, if we zoom in, has an extruded aluminum heatsink, very low profile there, especially from the mounting base plate, and an active cooling fan in the back. The mounting plate is retained with a very small Allen key screw. It is machined metal, which is also nice. A lot of the aftermarket LED bulb manufacturers use plastic. It's nice to see a higher quality machined metal part with an O-ring seal here. Moving up, the shaft is, again, machined extruded aluminum with a two-part clamshell, and the circuit board has two opposing faces of CSP chips for brightness. To see it in action and all of its specs, including brightness and beam patterns, be sure to check out my full review in one of my other videos. I'll link it below in the description if I have it uploaded. In any case, that's all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video.